What was that, Marty?
Rooster, his name is Spike.
Don't let him flop out.
I won't.
He's scary.
Oh, why is he scary? He's more scared than anything. So what I'm going to do
Silly.
is I'm going to flip him upside down because then he'll stay still.
Like a little baby.
Usually he stays still when you do that
I
to him.
think he's scared of us, you guys.
Yeah, he's scary. You're a lot bigger than he is, but feel his spiky head.
Feel how soft he is.
Oh, he's so
Ricky, you want to feel the spiky head?
Oh, you little Spike. It's okay. We're not gonna hurt you.
Take hands, let Ricky get in there too.
It'd be really bad if we touched
Hey,
you.
Ricky,
Don't.
take it
What?
Ricky,
It
you want to touch
doesn't
him
hurt.
again?
No. Really touching them. That was